Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is the first week of June and we have a poll winner. This is the Microchip ProMate 2. This is the next teardown. So let's not waste any time. Let's start taking it apart. I didn't even bother cleaning it up. That's just the way it is. These are little adapters that plug in. They have like a zebra strip down here. So this will be a pretty quick teardown. And just to let you know, this did have a failure, so let's plug this in to show you. It says high pin driver fail. So this one's junk. So it's worth doing a teardown. So I'm not even gonna bother cleaning it up here. It shouldn't be that long of a teardown. Get another screwdriver here. Yeah, these were pretty expensive back in the day, but they're pretty much for microchip only stuff. They're not really worth much anymore. But this one had about 40% of the votes, so this one gets torn down. I was hoping to get at least 100 votes, but I guess people don't read the posts. But it's all good, right? We're gonna see what's inside this thing. Ooh, and we've got some circuitry in here. Ooh, and we've got firmware on the chip. Gonna have to see what's on that firmware. Let's figure this out. Okay, so red to the front, pin 1 to that side, and we will take that apart, or take this off. And what do we have here? ProMate 2. Yeah, if I was going to keep this around, I would go through and try to diagnose it, but I'm not keeping this one around. It's not worth my time. These, like I said, don't go for very much, so we've got a flash chip set there. Looks like this one's gonna have to have some in-depth discovery. Yeah, I gotta get this to where I can see it better. There we go. What's on the other side? Looks like we got a screw right there. One right there. I think we might have to take those off. And I'll pull the stickers off these chips and check them out. There we go. That's on the back side of this. Not much on the back side. But yeah, check on the blog in the description. I'll have a link and you can see up close photos of this. This is like 1996 era, so I'll try to get copies of the flash, figure out what that chip is, and that'll be a good use for this broken programmer. So thanks for watching. Ooh, we're not done yet. Haha, we gotta look at the display. What display stuff are they using? Oh, almost went a little too early on that one. I don't think I'm gonna do live unless I can get a better camera that actually focuses well. So this is the display board. Not much to it. So that is the Microchip ProMate 2 Teardown. We'll catch y'all later.